Welcome to the Top Best. The best pool pump fittings is probably one of the most crucial components for maintaining a healthy and efficient swimming pool, ensuring optimal water circulation and filtration to keep your water crystal clear and inviting all season long. Without the right fittings, your entire pool system can suffer from reduced performance, leaks, and even costly damage, making the selection of these seemingly small parts a surprisingly significant decision for any pool owner. Number 5. Pool hose adapter with collar replacement for Intex, 2-pack. Are you struggling to connect your 1.25-inch hose to a 1.5-inch pump? This adapter is the perfect solution for upgrading your filtration system. These adapters are designed to fit all Intex filter pumps with threaded connections, including chlorine generators and salt systems. Enjoy seamless integration with your existing setup. Featuring threaded connections and O-ring seals, these adapters provide a secure, leak-proof barrier. Keep your pool water flowing efficiently without any unwanted drips. Crafted from durable plastic, these adapters are built to withstand regular pool use. They are resistant to cracks and breakage, ensuring long-lasting performance under pressure. Installation is a breeze. Simply attach the smaller end to your 1.25-inch hose and screw the threaded end onto your 1.5-inch pump or valve. No extra tools are needed for a quick setup. What we like. If you have a smaller hose but need to connect to a larger pump, this adapter is your solution. Its reliable leak-proof design ensures no water escapes, and installation is a breeze. Choose this if you're looking for a simple, effective way to bridge the gap between different hose sizes without fuss. What people say. The fittings are made of durable plastic and have a good seal. Easy to install and connect to the existing pool plumbing. The 2-inch size is standard and fits most pool pump systems. Number 4. 2x 100 feet heavy-duty PVC pool backwash hose. Introducing our heavy-duty pool backwash hose, designed for ultimate durability and performance. It's built to withstand tough conditions, making pool maintenance a breeze. Crafted from industrial-grade PVC, this hose is resistant to high pressure, weather, chemicals, aging, and wear. You can rely on it for all your water transfer needs. This 100-foot hose is perfect for swimming pool drainage and flushing. It also works great with sump pumps and sewage, making it ideal for various settings. Engineered to be weatherproof and burst-resistant, it ensures a robust solution for your pool maintenance. It's designed to resist abrasion, corrosion, leaks, and tears. Setting up is simple with its user-friendly design, connecting effortlessly to pumps. For storage, just roll it flat and keep it in a dry, shaded area for longevity. This essential pool supply comes complete with 2 clamps, ensuring a secure fit for your pump and fittings. It's everything you need for efficient water transfer. What we like. For those needing a durable and long hose for backwashing or draining, this is an excellent choice. Its heavy-duty PVC construction resists wear and tear, and the lay-flat design makes storage simple. If you need a robust, versatile hose for various water transfer tasks, this one is built to last. What people say. The fittings are made of durable plastic and have a good seal. Easy to install and connect to the pool pump. The 2-inch size is compatible with most standard pool pumps. Number 3. US Pool Supply Pool Hose Conversion Adapters. Tired of compatibility issues with your pool hoses? Our conversion adapters are designed to bridge the gap, ensuring a perfect fit every time. These adapters work with major brands like Intex, Hayward, and Coleman. Easily connect different brands of pools and filter pumps without hassle. Get your pool system up and running in minutes. Installation is a breeze, whether you're using soft-side pools or hard pipes. Enjoy peace of mind with a secure, leak-proof connection. The included O-rings ensure a tight seal, preventing water loss. Made from premium, break-resistant plastic, these adapters are built to last. They offer a long service life for your pool maintenance needs. Maintain your pool like a pro without the expensive service calls. We provide high-quality, affordable solutions for residential pool owners. What we like. If you have multiple pool filter connections or need replacements for common brands like Intex, Hayward, or Coleman, this pack is ideal. It offers a leak-proof seal and broad compatibility, making it a cost-effective solution for ensuring your hoses connect properly. Consider this if you value convenience and multiple connection options. What people say. The fittings are made of durable plastic and have a good seal. Easy to install and connect to the existing pool plumbing. The 2-inch size is standard and fits most pool pump systems. Number 2. XtremepowerUS 2 HP Dual Speed Pool Pump. Introducing a powerful dual-speed pump designed for your in-ground swimming pool. It offers efficient water circulation with its high-performance motor, ensuring a clean and enjoyable pool experience. Experience an impressive flow rate that quickly and efficiently moves water. This ensures your pool stays clean and clear, providing optimal performance for your hot tub or spa. Constructed with robust, weather-resistant materials, this pump is built to last. Its thermally protected motor ensures durability and a long lifespan, even in various climate conditions. Cleaning is a breeze with its large, removable debris basket. The transparent lid lets you easily see when it needs attention, preventing clogs and ensuring smooth operation. Enjoy a quieter and smoother running experience compared to traditional pumps. Its design prioritizes both performance and a peaceful environment around your pool. Rest assured with its UL listing, confirming adherence to strict safety and performance standards. This pump is a reliable and certified choice for your pool's needs. What we like. For in-ground pools requiring powerful and efficient water circulation, this pump is a top contender. Its dual-speed motor offers flexibility, and the high flow rate ensures quick water movement. If you prioritize performance, energy efficiency, and long-term durability with built-in safety features, this pump is a solid investment. What people say. The fittings are made of durable plastic and have a good seal. Easy to install and connect to the existing plumbing. The 2-inch size is standard and fits most pool pumps. Number 1. CMP Hi-Temp Union 2-inch PVC. Introducing the CMP Hi-Temp Union, designed for durability and high-temperature performance. This pack includes 2 essential components for your pool system. Crafted from high-quality PVC, these unions are built to last. They are specifically designed for 2-inch PVC pipes, ensuring a perfect fit. The threaded end is engineered to seamlessly connect with a 2-inch female threaded pool pump. Installation is straightforward and secure. These unions are the ideal choice for WhisperFlow and IntelliFlow pool pumps. They ensure optimal performance and compatibility with your existing setup. Engineered to withstand high temperatures, these unions provide reliable operation even in demanding conditions. Trust in their robust design for your pool's needs. This is the CMP Hi-Temp Union, model number 21063-200-000. It's the perfect solution for your 2-inch PVC piping requirements. What we like. If you're working with high-temperature applications or specific pump models like WhisperFlow and IntelliFlow, this union is essential. It provides a secure, high-temp rated connection for 2-inch PVC pipes. Choose this if you need a reliable union fitting designed for demanding pool equipment. What people say. The fittings are made of durable plastic that has held up well under pressure. Easy to install and connect to my existing pool plumbing. The 2-inch size is standard and fits perfectly with my pump and filter system. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.